Okay, so what does it say? A square park PQRS of side 90 meters is located such that its diagonal PR is from north to south, from north to south, and the corner Q is to the west of corner S. Okay, so we'll draw a diagram. Radha and Mohan start along the sides from Q and R respectively in clockwise directions with speeds of 8 kilometers per hour and 10 kilometers per hour respectively. Okay, so they're moving in opposite directions, means they're moving towards each other. So what is going to be their relative speed? It's going to be 18 kmph. So 8 plus 10 is 18 kmph. How much is 18 kmph in terms of meters per second? It is 5 meters per second. Okay, let us just first look at the diagram. So you've got P to R from north to south, right? P to R from north to south, and Q is to the west of S. So this is S and this is Q. So where are they starting from? Mohan is at R and Radha is at Q. Their speeds are 10 and 8 respectively. So what does the question ask you? Radha is moving in. What does the question inform? It informs us that Radha is moving in clockwise direction. So you see, this is the clockwise direction, and Mohan is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. So therefore, we wrote that they're going to meet, but such that their relative speeds would add up. Not it would not be a difference of speeds. It would be the addition of the speeds. Right. One. Secondly, what else do we need to know? When is it that they cross each other for the second time, not for the first time? So just to put things into perspective, if two people are separated by a distance of 90, 90 and 90, which is 270 meters, right? The ratio of their speeds are what? 8 and 10. So therefore the ratio is 4:5. So 4:5 is to 9, and they're separated by a distance of 270. So therefore, when would they meet? Just let me explain this. So if the ratio of their speeds are 4:5 and they are separated by a distance of 270, so it's a 30th multiple. So therefore he would have to cover 150 meters. She would cover, Radha would cover 120 meters. Right? So just let us understand how does this look like. Yes. So they've met here. Is this what is asked? No. But just to make you understand as to when and where they will meet for the first time, this guy travels 150, she travels 120. Next, when will they when will they meet for the next time? Now again, the both of them, or Radha and Mohan, have to travel a distance of 360 meters. Okay, so the net distance that they have to travel is 270 initially for the first time and 360 to the to meet for the second time. What would be the relative speeds? Relative speed would get added. That's motion in opposite direction. So what's the what you need to be careful about here is the units, right? So if you lose out on this, right, and just take this and move ahead, there are chances that you will some of you might do that and you will go wrong. Okay, so what's 630 by 126? 630 by 126 is, or you could also do the same thing that you have done here. So which would typically help you arrive at the answer. So instead of 270, now even though the ratio of the speeds is same, they are covering a distance of 630. So 630 would be how much? This is 70 times. So this guy is covering 350. And Radha will cover 70 times. So she would cover a distance of 280. That's it. That's all that's required to answer the question. So, the rest of the steps are not necessary. So if you notice, 280 from here would mean this is 90. This is 90, 270. They would meet here. Even for this guy, if he completes 360, he would reach here, but he's falling short. So therefore, this is the place where the two of them are meeting. How far is this from R? It is 10 units from R. So it is lying on QR and at a distance of 10 units from R. That's it. Okay. So just applying the concept of ratio of speeds, right? And applying it to calculate the distance because they're meeting at the same time would help you answer the question. Okay. Right.